Hello students, today in this video we will discuss the question answers of exercise in the unit 1.2 Dick Whittington and his cat. Here the first question is, arrange the following set of words in the alphabetical order in your notebook. Here few words are given like ship, small, successful, scolding, stone, saving, someone, stood, stressed, still, screamed, sat, seemed, sent, share. These words are given. You have to arrange all these words in alphabetical order, means which words will come first. You have to arrange it first and then write it down in your notebook. Here children, note it down that first letter of all words have begin with the same letter, that is S. So you have to arrange the second letter of each word in alphabetical order and write it down in your notebook. Next question is, remove the affixes, that is prefix and suffix, and write the root word. Here you have to remove the affixes, that is prefix and suffix, from the main word and write it down. See children, for the affixes I am sending you a separate video so that you will understand it in a better way, and then you have to find out the root word of all these words and write it down in your notebook. Next, find from the story, that is question number 2a, find from the story one word for the following. Here from the story you have to find out one word for each phrases. First phrase is a small room just below a sloping roof. You have to give one word for this whole sentence. This question's answer you can get by looking at the meaning of the word. See, in the explanation of in the video I had given you the meaning of new words. And here the meanings are given. You have to write down the new word for the meaning. Like first one is a small room just below a sloping roof. This is the meaning of the word attic. So you have in the blank you are supposed to write the word attic. And next, a very narrow passage between buildings. A very narrow passage between buildings means what? Alley. Alley is the new word. Alley, this a very narrow passage between buildings. This is the meaning of the word alley. So in this way you have to find out the meaning of the meaning which is given in the list and then write it down. Next question, first B, make sentences of your own using the following expressions. Using the following expressions, that is overcome, put up with, bargain. You have to write down the sentences by your own. Overcome. Here you can write the sentence like we must learn how to overcome with the difficult situation. Put up with. For this also you can write the sentence of your own. Next is bargain. For the bargain also you are supposed to make the sentence like people in India love to bargain with hawkers, or we need to do some bargaining in the wholesale market. Next, question number 3, rearrange the following events as they occur in the story. Put the correct number in the boxes. Here these events from A to I, these events has occurred in the story, but here the events are not given in proper order. So you are supposed to arrange the events in proper order, and which event occurred at which number, you are asked to write that number in the box. This answer you can do only if you have read the lesson. Next, think and answer what decision taken by Dick changed his fortune. What decision, which decision Dick has taken, because of which his fortune got changed. So here you can write that on hearing the church bells and the message which was given by the church from the bell, Dick decided to go back to Mr. Fishburne's house instead of running away from the situation. So that decision changed Dick's fortune. Next, what message does this story bring out for youngsters? For youngsters, you children, what message you got from this story? Your answer can be different. You have to write down by your own. Next, break the words below into syllables as shown in the first one. Here you have to break the word into different syllables. Now children, what is the meaning of syllables? Syllables की meaning क्या है? Syllables is what? It is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound. Unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound, and it may or may not have consonant sound surrounding it. Consonant sound surrounding it. So syllabus is the unit of pronunciation and it has one or more than one vowel sound. And in that word there can be consonant sound or cannot be consonant sound. For example, Jai. 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 Spelling of Jai, J-A-I. So I. I is what? This is the vowel sound. And J is not the vowel. So I is the vowel sound, and in that, so we can write down that one syllable is there. Remo. Re-mo. Re. A is vowel sound, and mo. O. O is also having vowel sound. So in this word, two syllables are there. Now here in this, you have to break the syllables of all these words and write down. For example, belonging. B. E. E is vowel. So B will be one vowel sound, and long, ong. O is also here vowel sound, the second syllable, and ging, ing, e. Here I is also having vowel sound. So in this word, three syllables are there. Same way you have to break the syllables of all these words and write down in the blank. Next question is degrees of comparison of adjective. Here children, you all know that degrees of comparison, there are three types of degree, that is positive, comparative and superlative degree. For your better understanding, I am sending a separate video to you so that you will understand and able to fill the table. Thank you.